So here we are going to a matcha factory, but it was closed on Monday, but the gift shop was open. So we bought some stuff and then we got the map. We went across the bridge to go to where the Uji temple is. Here's the Torii Gate, beautiful temple. The most amazing thing, there's a huge catfish in this river. We had a 7-Eleven egg sandwich by the river bank. And then here's the shot of the Uji temple, which has very authentic Chinese, Mahayana, Pure Land Buddhism artifacts and the sutra from the previous dynasties. Hot day and the crane was very, very hot. So here we are. Here's a gong for the monks to knock. And after the temple, we had this matcha ice cream little shop right outside the temple. Then we walked through town where they had matcha dumpling, matcha ramen, matcha everything. And here's the machine actually making matcha from the tea leaves. We then ended up in the Nara Park. The deer was coming up to say hi. And here's the Bambie deer chasing after the bus in the middle of the street. And then at night we were by the riverbank and we had the restaurant and we enjoyed the Kobe beef. And here was a beautiful evening. Thank you.